Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry. Begin by building a strong foundation in basic principles, such as understanding carbon's unique bonding capabilities and the various functional groups. Focus on the why behind reactions, not just memorizing them. Create flashcards for key terms and reactions, reviewing them daily for about 15 minutes. This consistent effort will solidify your understanding and prepare you for more complex topics. Once you have the basics down, dive into reaction mechanisms. Don't just memorize the overall reaction, understand each electron movement. Draw out mechanisms step by step until they become intuitive. Solve a minimum of 10-15 practice problems daily, focusing on different reaction types. Using molecular models can greatly enhance your spatial reasoning, helping you visualize how molecules interact and react. Now, let's tackle synthesis. This is where you apply all your knowledge. Start with simpler two-step syntheses and gradually move to more complex ones involving 4 or 5 steps. Look for recurring patterns in reagents and reaction outcomes. Additionally, dedicate time to understanding spectroscopy, like NMR and IR, as it's crucial for identifying unknown compounds and confirming your synthesis results. Finally, cultivate effective study habits. Explaining concepts to a study partner is one of the best ways to solidify your own understanding. If you can teach it, you truly know it. Don't be afraid to ask questions in class or during office hours. Remember to take short breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to maintain focus. For more great study tools and deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.